today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace can feel like a rare gift. But what if we told you that the key to relaxation has been around us all along? The gentle whispers of the wind, the rhythmic flow of water, the symphony of birds at dawn. Nature's soundscapes hold an incredible power to calm our minds and restore our spirits. And now, with the stunning clarity of 4K resolution, we can bring the immersive beauty of nature right to you. Every detail, every color, every movement captured in breathtaking realism. Studies have shown that just listening to nature sounds can lower stress, improve sleep, and even boost creativity. So, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey together. From the quiet majesty of ancient forests to the endless horizons of rolling hills, nature's beauty is boundless. Each landscape has its own rhythm, its own story. Watch as the leaves dance in the breeze. As water carves its path through stone. As the world awakens under the soft light of dawn. These moments remind us that stillness exists, even in movement. That in nature, we find a reflection of our own need for balance. Close your eyes for a moment. Listen, can you hear it? The delicate chirping of a sparrow. The distant call of a loon across the lake. The soothing patter of rain on leaves. These sounds are nature's lullaby, a symphony composed over millennia. We've used high-quality binaural recording to capture every note, so you feel as if you're standing right here, surrounded by peace. There's a reason these sounds resonate so deeply within us. They remind us of a world untouched by chaos. Science has shown that immersing ourselves in nature, even virtually, can have profound effects. Cortisol levels drop, heart rate slow, and our minds find clarity. This video isn't just a visual escape. It's a tool for mindfulness, for meditation, for reclaiming moments of stillness in your day. Try it now. Let your breath sync with the rhythm of the waves. Feel the tension melt away with each passing second. Capturing these moments is a labor of love. Hours spent waiting for the perfect light, the perfect sound, all to bring you closer to the serenity of the natural world. We hope this video becomes your sanctuary, a place you return to whenever you need to pause, breathe, and recharge. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Where does nature take you? Share your stories in the comments, and let's build a community of peace and appreciation for the world around us. If this journey brought you calm, consider subscribing for more relaxing escapes. And remember, nature's beauty is always within reach, whether on your screen or just outside your door.